Yeah, we out here having a little fun. What it do? I just picked this 22 up. It's a 22 long and 22 mag. Let's check it out. In the box. Into the side. This is used. Got a good price on it. But it's all good. Check it out. The Heritage 22. I wanted the one with the engraving on the handle, but I settled for this one. I got a good price, like I said, so couldn't pass it up. That's the 22 mag barrel. Get a shot on that. 22 mag. That's probably what I'll just put in and leave in it. Gotta find some rounds for it. All the stuff talking about ordering online and stuff. Crazy. But we're gonna go out and see if we can find some rounds for it. I'm about to go ahead and take this lock off. Come back at you. Oh, you back. Took the lock off. You see it's right here. Come with, they give you a key to come with it. So I got a few of them, so just the cylinder. This is her, all her beauty. Single action. For all they know, that means you gotta pull it back every time you shoot. It's like an old cowboy gun. I love it. Yeah, flip this open. Load it, now I gotta take that orange thing out. And these come with safeties. I don't know if y'all can tell, see. Flips up right in front of the hammer. See. Though Westerns didn't have a safety on them, but I think that's pretty cool because you can only put 5 in there. If you put 6 in them, your chances of blowing your foot off. But like 22 Magnum, 22 long too. Pick you one up. I like it. Might give me another one. Definitely order a grip for it. Cause another grip, but it's nice though. Very nice. If I get some time off, we can go shooting. All these guns, can't even go shoot. But coming back at y'all with a video, cause I ain't put one out in a minute, so I'm still getting warmed up to this YouTube thing, man. Bear with me, but more to come. 22 mag. Well, that's what I'm gonna keep in the 22 mag. I already got 22, so that's the reason I bought it really for 22 mag. Yeah. All right, I'm out. Holla at y'all later.